Ito pala maganda. Nakausap ko po si ating mahal na, of course, talaga namang ating bayani sa larangan ng boxing. Walang iba ang senator natin, na Senator Manny Pacquiao. Senator, I enjoyed talking to you. That was about last week, no? We had a talk and I told him, Senator, I don't want to talk in Tagalog. No problem. Absolutely. Definitely superb. Yun ang talaga. So,
para sa'yo, ang laban na to. Para sa'yo.
Senator, I have a good news for you. Okay, the management of GMA7, of course, our boss, Chairman, of course, our Chairman, Attorney Gozan, already have a permission. You can guest in the show this week. If you are available tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe Friday, come on. This is your time. This is your time to talk to me in English. If you come here, let's not talk about politics. When you come here, let's talk about ordinary person. And you will be a guest of mine. You understand?
Para sa'yo, ang laban na to.
Once you talk in Tagalog, you have to pay me. Okay? That's a deal. If you want to guest in my show, attorney tuloy.
Hirap.
Okay. Senator Pacquiao. Because I remember when I was in the in Wawawi, we used to talk in English. Remember? What's that? Commercial?
Baygon.
No. Baygon.
Water. Bit.
Yeah. Will water.
Will.
Will water. You know, will water. Okay.
Para sa'yo, ang laban na to.
So, nag-text na kami kanina. I text si Nina. Sabi ko, hey, Mr. Senator, can I text you or call you? I'm sorry about that. I'm in a session right now. I'll give you a call, okay? And then I turned back the text. No problem. I'll just be waiting here anytime, anywhere, any place in the country. Oh!
Para sa'yo, ang laban na to.
Manil ba yan? I'm just joker here, okay? But anyway, nakalimutan ko na sabihin ko tuloy. Naku, Diyos ko, matanda na si 60 anyos. Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang po ha. So, Senator Manny Pacquiao, you will be my guest this week. Okay na tayo. So, pwede na kita mga one-on-one interview here, even in the studio, pero konti lang ang pwede mong isama. Ha? Inaalaw kita, isama mo si Mayweather. Dalawa lang kayo. Okay. So, dalawa lang daw pwedeng umakyat dahil na-stick to rito sa Will Tower. Para ano, ikaw lang daw, saka ano, sino? Si Buboy. Si Buboy.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!